Hey, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. So as promised yesterday, I'm going to go through the bonuses that you're going to get. Now, the bonuses that I'm going to give you, you're also going to be able to give away. So I've been working really hard the last couple of days putting together these bonuses. But one of the bonuses I'm going to be giving you is 30 days access to my mastermind, which is group coaching, which is like what people pay thousands of dollars for. You're going to get full access to that. And they've got some cool stuff inside of there that's really going to help you with the promotion, which I'll go through in a minute. But I'm also going to be giving you a 2-hour training, which I'm actually doing. I can actually now reveal this product's launching on Thursday the 19th. So my 2-hour training is going to be tomorrow night at 5 p.m. BST. So that's Wednesday, the 18th. Yeah, so not 19th, 18th. And it's going to be at 5 p.m. BST. But, right, I'm going to go through the bonuses now. But what you really want to do is sign up under me first, right? Get that done. And then you want to start promoting this to your audience and your list. And you want to start getting this out and getting people signed up under you ASAP, even before the training tomorrow, right? Simply because once you've signed up and you get all the resources from Russell, then you'll basically, you'll get a dashboard. I'll show you that in a minute, right? And you'll get everything. And that's going to basically, you'll basically then have what you need to just go and start putting it out there. Because I'm going to be showing you how to take advantage of keywords tomorrow night, like on YouTube, how to turn your video into, like whether you're putting yourself on camera or not. I'll show you both ways, right? Because there's obviously two separate ways of doing that. And then I'm going to give you like all the resources that I use to get in the leaderboards. I'm going to show you like some of the results I've had in the last 24 hours in a sec, right? So I'm going to give you that, but I'm also going to be giving you all my magic traffic funnels pre-built, done for you. And I'm going to give you this landing page, which is what I've got set up now. So if you go to tripfunnels.com/SOS, the link's around, right? I've now put up this landing page, right? Now, this is a very high converting landing page, which I'm going to give you, right? It's a bonus that I'm giving you. Now, the reason why I know this is high converting is because I tried and tested all sorts of things with some products I used in the past, and this one won, flat out won, right? And I literally only put this up yesterday, and virtually everybody who signed up with me has entered their email. So it's kind of like 90%, I think it's like 90 to 100% success rate, right? I kind of didn't do the math, but I looked at it and it was pretty much the same, right? And that's by design, because the way this landing page works is that people are going to give an email address because they don't have to, but they obviously want the bonuses, right? So that's why this works really well. So everybody's signing up with this, which is really cool. So I'm going to give you access to this. I'm creating a bridge page, which is basically going to give them all the bonuses and also show them how to access all the videos I'm putting on YouTube, which is part of the process, right? So I'm obviously going to be creating extra resources, and as I create those, I'll give those to you as well. But for now, you get the landing page, right? You get the 2-hour training, but you also get 30-day access to my mastermind, right? Which means that you're going to get the pre-built magic traffic funnels, which are all built inside of here. I've got my previous Kartra funnels, which are killer. Like I still sell these. People buy these for $500. You get those as well. And also, let me just show you as well. Like the reason, and the 2-hour training I'm going to give you tomorrow night is going to be very specific, which is what I want to keep you on track with. But these are the results that I've had in the last 24 hours, and this is what I'm going to show you, right? Because like I say, when big products launch, people who take advantage get the best results, right? Now you can see here that this was getting 178 views per hour. Now you're wondering where I get this data from. It's from a plugin called vidIQ, which is this thing here, right? And when you plug it in, it actually gives you this data, right? I'm on the pro plan, so I don't know if it's that plan, but basically it shows you how many views videos are getting, right? This is me on the front page of Google after 2 days with just 2 videos. In fact, 1 day old, 12 hours old, right? You can see that, right? You can see here that for the term secrets of success, right? And sometimes people say, yeah, but wait, but how do I know that's the search term? Well, you can see it appears over here, right? So the secrets of success, right? That's had 235 views per hour, 69 views per hour. This was at 9:45 last night, right? And I was number 2 on the planet at that time, right? For that search term. How cool is that, right? This is why this system is so insane. And again, most people on the planet do not do keyword research. Most people don't even bother with affiliate launches that are going to be big. They don't think about it. It's wide open, right? And that's why you guys need to take advantage of this, because it's, especially with YouTube, right? You know, YouTube, people talk about TikTok and all these other things, but look at this, right? I've not ever promoted this product. I've got no authority over this. But look, Secrets of Success Affiliate, 234 views an hour. This was it doesn't tell me the time. I think it was the same time, 9:45, right? And again, I was number one for that term here, right? Insane, right? What else have we got? Secrets of Success bonuses number 2, right? So this is, this is right now. This is literally, I've put this in right now. Okay, I'll refresh this. Right, you can see these are ads at the top here. I'm getting 99 views an hour, 55 views an hour, and I'm number 2 on the planet for Secrets of Success bonuses, right? So you get it. Like, this is the process I want to show you. And the reason why this is more powerful than anything else on the planet is because I've had crazy signups. Like, I've had 406 referrals, right? 406, right? Literally in 2 days. So I'm getting around, I don't know, 5, 10 an hour coming in, right? And it's just nuts. So what I would recommend doing as well, when you come in here, okay, so before we actually get prepared for tomorrow night, the first thing I recommend you doing, right, because you're going to get 30-day access to my gold membership. So you come into the 24-hour ranking system. This is the gold membership version that you get, right? So you'll see all of this stuff. So if you've ever got this before, it's going to basically expand, right? You're going to get all this like extra stuff, right? So come in here, and if you go to choose your success path, right, and you'll see you've got all these incredible success paths, which are short, fast, and designed to get you results. But for the affiliate launch, what I would really like you to do before tomorrow night is to go and do this 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this 4-day Google ranking challenge is going to show you a listing. Now, it used to be instant, but it now takes up to 24 hours, right? And Google have kind of changed the way they do things. So when you do this, allow for 24 hours to see it on the front page of Google, and you'll also see it in YouTube, right? But basically, it's going to show you how to create a channel. So that kind of gets you covered for tomorrow night. That shows you how to create a video, again, using the tool I'm going to show you tomorrow night. So you're getting some of the training already. And then it's going to basically place it on the front page of Google, and you'll see it. And you'll be like, oh my God. And that's when fireworks go off. And that way, when we get started tomorrow night, you're going to go all in, and you're going to do this because you're going to see how powerful it works for you, not just for me, right? I actually got an email today. I'll post it up from Rob. I'll actually put a screenshot up so you can see it. Literally saying that he did this last year when we did the ClickFunnels launch, and he's still making commissions. Like, this is the real deal, right? So anyway, that's the first thing I recommend. And then what you're going to do is when I show you the training tomorrow night, I'm going to show you how to, obviously I'll go through how to create your video, how to create your channel, whether you're putting yourself on camera or not. I'm going to show you keyword research specifically for this product, right? And it'll also apply to other affiliate launches, right? So you can kind of make note for other affiliate launches. And then I'll give you my 20-point upload checklist, which is how I get these crazy results, right? Again, we created it. No one else has got it. And then what you'll do is I'm also going to give you access to, you can actually sign up as an affiliate with me. I'll show you some cool things that you can do with the affiliate stuff there. So you can make double commissions. So when you're promoting this, you can make extra commissions. But you're also going to get my $12,000 bonus stack, which allows, which has all these bonuses in there. And as part of, this is like part of the mastermind. So this is part of your 30-day mastermind. You get access to this and my affiliate account, right? And then you can basically take this and promote this and use it and, throw it around everywhere, because in all honesty, the 24-hour ranking system, right, was the only course I ever used to give away. And the version of this that I give away is the VIP version, but it was basically based on my original webinar. Because the webinar was so powerful, people love it. So if you ever see my webinar, people love it, right? And because of that, I put that into a course because people love courses as well. So I then started giving it away as a bonus, so I didn't have to create any extra resources. And then people would then ascend and buy other products from me. It was kind of crazy. So it was a really good bonus. So this is really good. So I'll give you an affiliate link as well. So when you're giving stuff away, obviously if anybody buys anything off me later, you get some commission, right? And people make a lot of money just doing that, right? So it's pretty cool. So there you go. That is my entire bonus stack. And like I say, go and sign up here. Okay, you can, if you want to, go to, I'll give you this page when you sign up. I'm going to make this available. I'll make this available ready. I'm putting it all together, right? So that's going to be ready, available for tomorrow. But initially, you're going to get straight away. I'm going to send you today access to the 30-day mastermind, so you can start taking action, right? And then if you don't want to give me your email, or you don't want any of the bonuses, you just press this, right? You can go over here. Obviously, If you do, just give me the same email address that you're going to do here. Then you come here, you press apply to become an affiliate. Then all you need to do is press that, go back and watch the video after. Just do this first so you're getting your bonuses, right? And then just put your name, email, and your PayPal email. And in this email section here, if you can just put the same email that you're going to sign up with on this page, that would be really good because I can collate the two. That's it. I can't wait to help you. It's my mission to help you succeed with this, because if you don't win, I don't win, right? So I'm giving you everything. All of these bonuses that I'm giving you, by the way, you're going to be able to give away. So you're going to be able to give away the 30-day. You're going to be able to give away the video, right? All of this stuff is going to help you crush. You've got the $12,000 bonus stack. You've got the double commissions, all that funky stuff. Go sign up now, and I'll see you on the call tomorrow night.